Ever wondered about the impact of your daily coffee? I'm on the Healthy Longevity channel. Subscribe for health tips. Coffee fights diseases, boosts mood, but what you pair it with matters. Discover the worst and best food companions for a healthier life. Stay tuned for surprising connections between coffee, cancer, and dementia. If you value this info, subscribe, like, and share for informed choices. Ready to uncover secrets of perfect coffee companions? Let's dive in. Choose your coffee companion wisely, especially avoiding sweet ones like vanilla lattes, for a healthier lifestyle. Now our focus is on the #1 worst match for coffee medication. This includes not just supplements, but also any prescription drugs you might be taking. Some might think that coffee's caffeine, with its metabolism-boosting properties, could make medications work faster. Or maybe you take your post-meal supplements with coffee, thinking it's a harmless combination. When added to the stimulating effect of caffeine, your heart can race, and blood pressure may spike, potentially leading to emergencies like arrhythmias and brain hemorrhages. If you're taking diuretics for conditions like high blood pressure, coffee's diuretic effect can strain your kidneys. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid taking coffee with supplements and prescription drugs. Waiting 1 or 2 hours between them allows you to enjoy the benefits of your medicine and coffee without any problems. Now, let's talk about the best food pairing with coffee. I highly recommend milk. Many of you enjoy adding milk to your coffee for lattes or cappuccinos, and it's a choice that not only softens the bitterness and acidity of coffee, making it smoother and creamier, but also enhances its health benefits. The diuretic effect of caffeine in coffee, which aids metabolism and blood circulation, speeds up the elimination of waste from your body. While this can be beneficial, caffeine can also cause the expulsion of calcium from your body, earning coffee the nickname calcium thief. Pairing coffee with the king of calcium, milk, ensures you can enjoy your coffee without worries. Additionally, milk creates a protective layer in the stomach, neutralizing acidity, and adding protein balances the nutritional value of your coffee, making milk and coffee a perfect match. Move to #2, sugary coffee drinks. Excessive sugar post-meal spikes insulin resistance, leading to health issues. Opt for sugar-free coffee options like Americano or espresso to enjoy coffee's benefits without drawbacks. Adding syrup? Beware of liquid fructose or corn syrup, worse than sugar. Enhance coffee with cinnamon for a potent antioxidant boost. Studies show 3 cups daily reduce stroke and heart disease risk by 60%. Cinnamon's polyphenols improve blood circulation and joint health. Add a cinnamon stick or half a teaspoon of powder for a healthier coffee experience. Moving on to the 3rd worst food to pair with coffee, chocolate. While a sweet chocolate cake with a cup of Americano might be tempting, the combination of both chocolate and coffee, both rich in caffeine, can lead to excessive caffeine intake. The American Heart Association warns that this can cause severe stimulation effects, increasing the risk of heart attacks due to arrhythmias. It's advisable to enjoy chocolate and coffee separately to avoid potential problems. Now, let's explore the 3rd and final best food pairing with coffee, nuts. Did you know that coffee is excellent for brain health and preventing dementia? The caffeine in 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day stops the formation of tau proteins linked to dementia, and the antioxidants in coffee protect and regenerate brain nerve cells. Pairing nuts with your coffee creates a remarkable synergy. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and peanuts are not only full of various nutrients but also rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which activate brain cells, boosting memory and clearing fats stuck in your blood vessels. This improves blood flow, providing more oxygen for your brain. Next time you have coffee, remember to grab a handful of nuts for a delicious nutty flavor and a health boost. In conclusion, choose filtered or brewed coffee over sugary mixes, and add a touch of cinnamon or nutmeg for a healthier twist. Skip pairing coffee with chocolate and opt for nuts to boost brain health. Taking care of your health is as simple as choosing the right companions for your coffee. Thank you for being with me today. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Wishing you health and happiness. This is your Healthy Longevity channel signing off. However, be cautious when mixing coffee with medication, as it can render medicine ineffective and cause serious health issues. Caffeine can block supplement absorption and increase stomach acid when combined with certain drugs. Choose wisely for a healthier, happier you. If you value this information, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's make informed choices for a healthier life together. Until next time, this is a Healthy Longevity channel. Thank you.